Hello, teacher.
Hello, Jenny. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, great.
You?
Oh, I'm so great also. Oh, how are you tonight?
What do you say?
Oh, how are you tonight? I mean, what are you doing for your class? Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing in school? Are you?
Learn many lessons.
Oh, many lessons. Okay, what subject you've studied tonight? I mean, this day.
What do you say?
Now, what are the subjects that you studied today? Do you what subject you studied today?
What do you say?
What are the subjects that you study in school? Are you studying math?
What do you say?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I hear you now.
Great. So, what are the subjects that you study in school? Are you studying math?
Yes, I study math.
Oh, division of the same division?
What do you say?
The same division?
What do you say?
Oh, division. Did you study division in school? Dividing?
Yes, I study
Oh,
division.
okay, very good. So, tonight, Jenny, we will have listening. Okay?
Yes,
Okay, so I will let you listen an audio and you're gonna answer. Okay? So, can you hear
yes,
me properly? Can you
I
hear me
hear
properly?
properly.
Okay, very good. So I will just let you listen an audio and then you're gonna listen properly and you will answer. Okay?
Yes,
Oh, very good. So are you ready for tonight?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay, teacher wants to see your smile first before I will share screen. Oh, very good, Jenny. Okay, so here, all right. Can you see my screen, Jenny?
Yes, I see your screen.
Okay, so there. Hmm, for a while. Okay, so it is test 3 listening. Okay, so listen.
Yes,
Can you read that word there on my screen? Listening.
listening.
Okay, how will you spell listening?
L I C
S, that is
T
S.
What do you say?
That is S. Listening. S. Next.
T N S T E N I N
So can you hear me properly so you will not be have problem in listening? Can you hear teacher well?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, very good. So this time for the part 1, can you see it? Okay,
Yes, I see.
very good. So for the part 1, you listen and draw. So there is one example. So I will play. After that, you can draw your answer. But you have your book like this. You have your,
Yes, I have.
oh, you have your book. So can you open that one on that page? That is Unit 13A, listening. Okay, try to open. Unit 13, listening. You see it? There is a tab.
Teacher, this
Let
unit
me see.
38.
Not that one. It's it is listening. After this one. Can you find like this?
What do you say?
Can you find this one? Unit 13, 1-3, listening. Unit 1-3, listening. You find like this.
31. Teacher, unit
Yeah.
31.
No, 13, like 13. This one, you find this one. Unit 13, 13A, listening. Can you find that one?
Yes.
Unit 13A, listening. You see it? This one, like this. Okay.
Teacher, this.
Wait. What can more. I mean one topic. It's the next. That was before. Can more one page. Okay. Can you flip? Move and then you see like this here. This picture. You see the picture like that. What is that? I can't read. Okay, you move. Happy or sad? You see like this in your book?
No, I don't have it like that.
You don't see it?
What did you say?
You didn't see like this in your book?
No, I don't see.
Oh, it's okay. So we will just have, okay. I will just let you. All right. Okay. Not like that in your book. You have your mouse.
No.
You have your mouse.
What
Like,
did you say?
you have your mouse like this?
Yes, I have.
Okay. You have your mouse. So can I teach you how to annotate on the screen?
What did you say?
Teacher will teach you how to write on the screen. Is it okay with you?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. So you have your mouse, right? This one. Very good. What you will do, okay. All right. Okay. Move your mouse up. Move your mouse up.
This?
Oh, you see the word annotate?
What do you say?
See the black word there, annotate.
What do you say?
It's okay. So we will just have, okay. So you see the word annotate when you move your mouse up. Move your cursor up like this, up. You move the cursor up.
This?
You see the black one there and there is annotate. You see the word like this. There is annotate. You see that word? You see it up?
I don't see it.
You don't see. Okay. So I will let you. Okay, it's okay. So this time I'll write. Okay, so I will let you hear. I will play the audio. Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, I'll try to play if you can hear it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, there. Oh, wait. The media is unavailable. Why? The media is unavailable for a while because what is wrong with my media? Media is unavailable. Okay. Okay, this time, we will try to, what are the things that you see on the picture at the right side? Okay, what are the things you see in the picture there? The media is not available. What are the things you see? What is this?
I see welcome. What is this? I see welcome to Pantado class.
Oh, welcome to Pantado's class. Your screen?
Yes.
Oh, my screen is part 1. Yours is not yet. My screen is, there is a picture and then
I don't see it.
Oh, you don't see it. Okay,
I see welcome to Pantado class.
Oh, okay. I'll stop the share, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, so this time. Okay, how about that? What's on your screen, Jenny?
I see it.
Okay, what's in there?
I see a box.
You see?
I see.
What do you see there?
I see 2 pictures.
Oh, very good picture. Okay, you see already the picture? Okay, this time teacher will ask you about the things you see. You know what is this? This one, Jenny. You have like that?
Yes, like that.
Oh, that is what is it?
That is a shoe.
Oh, shoes. Can you share to teacher what is the spelling of a shoes?
S.
Yes. Shoe.
O.
H. Shoes. S. A.
S. H. O. E.
Shoes. There is still shoes. Shoes.
E.
S. Shoes. If it's many, it's shoes. If only one, shoe. Okay, very good, Jenny. How about this one? You know what is this? The blue one. You know what is that? Do you have like that?
What do you say?
You have like this one. That one. What is it?
A shirt.
Oh, that is a t-shirt. Again.
It's a t-shirt.
Oh, that is a t-shirt. You have a home?
What do you say?
Have a t-shirt at home?
Yes, I have.
Oh, you have. I think you are way out, not wearing. How about this? You know what is that animal there?
Yes, it's a snake.
Oh, a snake. And what is the color of a snake? What's the color?
It's green.
Oh, it's green. Very good, Jenny. How about here? You know about, below. You know what is this? This one
It's
below.
a radio.
Oh, a radio. That is a radio. How about the other one? That one. What is it?
It's a watch.
A watch. Okay. That is a watch. And the yellow one, you have like that at home?
Yes.
Like this? You have like this? This?
I have.
Oh, you have. And what's that one?
A duck.
A duck. It's a toy duck. And how about this one? You know what is it? That is?
That is a clock.
Oh, very good. That is a clock. Okay, this time, okay, can you tell me something? Okay, try to see. Look at my arrow. Okay, where is the t-shirt? Okay, you know where
T-shirt.
the t-shirt based on the arrow. You see the red arrow there?
It's on the it's on the bra.
Oh, the t-shirt and the cupboard. Again.
The t-shirt and the cupboard.
Okay, very good. How about the clock? How about
the clock? Is on the wall.
Okay, the clock and the wall. Putting on the wall. How many pictures? Where is the clock located?
What do you say?
Oh, the clock is on the wall. Okay. How about the shoes? You see the shoes? Okay, the shoes is here.
Let's see.
Going there. Where is the shoes? Ah, where is the shoes? The shoes and where is it? You know what is this, Jenny? We have like this at home.
What do you say?
Do you have a bathtub at home?
No, I don't have like that.
Okay. But can you see where is the shoe located?
The shoe is...
Shoe, you're gonna put the shoe
under the I don't know.
Under the bath. Again, this is a
under
the bath. Oh, very good. How about, let's try to see where to put the radio. The radio together with the, what is this?
What did you say?
What is together with the radio? Oh, the radio, and look at the arrow of the radio. Look at the line. The radio is?
It's on
the radio and
on the window.
That is
the window.
Mirror. What is it?
It's a window.
Oh, it's like a window, but it's a mirror. You know what is a mirror?
I know.
Oh, yeah, the window and the mirror. How about the snake? This is a snake together with the...
What do you say?
Oh, the snake. You see the line on the snake? Oh, the snake
It's a tree.
going down. The snake is located. Where to put the snake?
Put the snake.
Oh, what is this? You know what animal is that, Jenny? That is...
I don't know.
Oh, that is a crocodile. Again.
That is a crocodile.
Crocodile. What is it?
Crocodile.
Oh, crocodile. So this time, I want Jenny to read the sentence here. Okay? Okay, can you read the number 1 there?
The teachers and the cupboard.
Okay, t-shirt and the cupboard. This one is the t-shirt and this one is a cupboard. Okay? How about number 2 there? What's the number 2?
The clock and the wall between the two pictures.
Okay, the clock and the wall between the 2 pictures. This one is the clock, right? Can you see the green line here, the green circle? You see my screen? Oh, the clock and then going between, going to the wall. This is the wall. You know what is a wall? Oh.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Number 3, Jenny. How about for number 3? Okay, how about for number 3? What is it?
It's the shoes. The shoes and the
Bath. Again? Bath.
bath.
Oh, the shoes. You see the shoes? Where is the shoes?
The shoes.
Is the shoes. And then we will go under the bath. Can we go together? Okay, going down, down, going to the under. You know what is under? Oh, look at the
Yes,
shoes.
I know.
We're gonna put it under the, you know what is this? This one is a?
It's a bath.
Oh, very good. How about number 4 there? Number 4.
The radio and the mirror.
Okay. Here is the radio. And we will go to the mirror. Can we go together, Jenny? Okay. Going up or going down?
Going up.
Okay, going up. Okay, there you are. So the radio and the mirror. How about the number 5, Jenny? This one. Okay, try
the snake and the, I don't know.
Place. What is it?
Place.
Oh, place.
Next to the crocodile.
Oh, very good. So the snake is placed. Place means we will put the snake there. So it is this where the place, I mean the snake is located. That is a place. Okay. So where is the snake? It's above or below? You see it? You see where is the snake there? Oh, the snake is?
The snake
is above.
Next to
next
the snake and the snake next to The crocodile.
Oh, next to the crocodile, which is here. Okay, very good, Jenny. Do you have any questions about that?
No, I don't have.
Okay, since the listening is not functioning, we just have it oral, okay? That's why.
Yes.
Because I don't know with the listening, it's not functioning. Okay, so since you don't have questions, we will go to the next slides there. Okay, part 2. That is the part 2. Can you see it? Yes? Okay, you see that one. Let's try if it's available, the listening. Not still. Why it's not available? Okay, so read the questions, listen and write a name or a number. But we cannot write unless we will listen the audio. Why it's not functioning? Screen for a while. I'm still checking why it's not functioning, the listening here. For a while. How about this? Yeah, not functioning. Oh, yes. Okay, how about this one? It's not functioning also. Okay, anyway, we'll just have this. Okay, can you see the picture here? You know who's that girl?
Yes, I see.
Okay, you see the picture here? See that one?
Yes, I see.
Okay, this one is this girl. This is
Sam.
One is
Mine.
May. Yeah, May. This is May. This is May, and the brother is playing, which is named Sam. One boy here is named Sam. So this is May, and the other May's brother is called Sam. Okay, what's the name of May's brother? That is? Oh, this is May, and the other boy here is Sam. Okay?
Yes.
And May's this brother, which is Sam, he is 11 years old. So, how old is Sam? He is 11 years old. Okay? How old is Sam?
What did you say?
How old is Sam? Sam is 11 years old. Okay, and you know what is 11? 10 plus
Yes, I know.
11. Okay, and then May got 3 teachers. Okay, this girl here, which is May, got 3 teachers. And May's grandmother is Lucy. The name of grandmother of May is Lucy. Okay? You see the spelling? Lucy. Oh, how will you read?
Lucy.
Yeah, that is the name of grandmother of May. And the name of the street where May's house is located is Tiger. Tiger Street. It is a name of the place where May stay. So that is Tiger Street. Can you repeat, teacher? That is?
That is Tiger Street.
Oh, very good. I will repeat it one more. I will repeat that one more. Are you still remember?
Yes.
Okay, I'll repeat one more. Okay, so there you are. Okay, try to look at the picture here. Okay, so what's the girl's name here is May. May is 8 years old. May, and she is 8 years old, like Jenny. May's brother, this one playing basketball, his name is Sam. Sam is the name of her brother. Another, Sam is an 11 years old. And May have 3 teachers. She got 3 teachers. 1, 2, 3. And May's grandmother is Lucy. Okay, the grandmother of May is Lucy. May also live in a Tiger Street. Okay, can you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Okay, very good. So I'll try to check how far you listen. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, great. So here, do you still remember who is the name of the girl here? That is? Who's the girl here? What's that? Who was that? Who is this girl?
It's May.
That is May. Again?
That is May.
Oh, how old is May? How old is May? Can you see it?
Yes, I see.
Oh, how old is May?
May is 8 years old.
Very good. She is 8 years old. How about what's the name of May's brother? What's the name of May's brother?
The name of
May's brother is
Sam.
Oh, very good. That is Sam. Here, Sam. How can you see Sam there on the line?
Yes, I see.
Very good, Jenny. How old is May's brother? How old is Sam?
What do you say?
How old is Sam? What's the age of Sam? If May, how old is May's brother? How old? Do you still remember?
May's brother is 11 years old.
Very good. Sam is 11 years old. How many teachers has May got? Oh, how many teachers has May got?
May got 3 teachers.
Very good. 3 teachers. And what's the name of May's grandmother?
May's grandmother name is Lucy.
Oh, very good, Jenny. Lucy. One more. Where is May's house located? You know, what street is that? Dante.
What do you say?
Where is May's house located? What's that? Where is the house of May?
It's in Tiger Street.
Very good. Tiger Street. Oh, you're so smart. You remember the information very well. Okay. Teacher will give you superstar. Okay. So You got it right. Do you have any questions about it, Jenny?
No, I don't have.
Oh, very good. No questions. So let's proceed for the part 3. Okay. For the part 3, okay, can you see that on my screen? I hope the audio will play. Please
What?
play. Oh, the audio will not still play. I don't know why. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So this is the part 3. Okay. So I want you to listen properly. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So for example, what you gonna do? Listen and tell me the answer. You will just tell me what letter is the answer, okay? Can you do like that? Your answer will be A. Oh. Can you follow this hand? Okay. A. Can you see it? Can you see my hand here? A.
Yes, I see.
Okay. Can you follow teacher like this? A. This one, you see my hand? A.
A,
B.
B,
C. C.
C,
Again. A.
A,
B.
B,
C.
C.
Ah, very good. So, this time, teacher will describe about the picture. Okay, like for example, can you see this one, Jenny? For example, you see this?
Yes, I see.
You see the example here? This one is the example, the one I boxed with green. Can you see it?
Yes, I see.
Okay. Okay, what's inside the green? You see that one?
Yes, I see.
Okay, that's great. So, what is Tom doing? Okay, what is Tom doing? Is it Tom is playing a ball. The color of the ball is blue. He kicked the ball. Okay, the ball is color blue and he kicked the ball. Okay, what is the answer? Is it A, B, or C? Okay.
It's B.
Okay, do like that. It's B. Can you do like that?
B.
E. Okay, very good. So that is how you gonna answer. Do you have like this in your book?
What page, teacher?
Oh, that is the listening. You have like that or no? Like this picture, that is unit 13. Yeah. You have like that?
Teacher. This
Yeah.
is
Let me see. What can do this? Not that one. It's okay. Okay. We'll not use book this time. Okay. Maybe it's not on your book. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. So this time, next is, let's have number 1. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What is Sue doing? Again, can you read it? What is Sue
doing?
Okay. Sue is sleeping inside the class because Sue is very sleepy. She slept inside the class. Okay. Is it A? Is it B or C?
It's C.
Let's try to check. Where is Sue? Okay, very good. You see the check here?
Yes, I see.
Oh, your answer is correct. Next, for number 2. Where are the children? Okay, we will know where are the children. The children loves to sing. They love to sing. That's why they enroll in music class. Oh, where are the children, Jenny? Okay.
Teacher, can you wait for me?
Okay, I'll wait for you. Okay, are you done? I mean, are you finished there?
Yes, I finished.
Okay, so this time, let's have number 2. Okay, where are the children? Okay, you see the pictures below? You see the
Yes, I see.
Okay, the children loves to sing different songs. That's why they enroll in a music class. Oh, where are the children? Is it A, B, or C?
It's A.
Let's try to see if your answer is correct. Oh, very good, Jenny. You got it right. Oh, that's great. Let's proceed to number 3. Okay? Are you with me? Okay, let's
What do
proceed.
you say?
Let's continue number 3. Okay? So,
Yes.
number 3, what is teacher doing? Okay. The teacher is a boy and he is writing an alphabet on the board. A.
What do you say?
And C. The teacher.
What do you say?
Okay. The teacher is writing A, B, and C on the board. What is the answer?
The answer is A.
Oh, the teacher is writing an alphabet. Oh, very good, Jenny. How about for number 4? Okay, for number 4. What are the girls eating, Kim? Okay. You know, the 2 girls, they are best friends. They like to eat bananas because that is their favorite fruits. Okay, so what are they eating?
They eating bananas.
Oh, bananas. What letter is the answer?
B.
B. Let's try to check if it is correct. Oh, very good, Jenny. Your answer is correct. How about for number 5? What game are the boys playing? Okay, you know, the two boys are playing a robot. They have one robot each. Okay, they're playing robot in a pink mat. Oh, what are the boys playing? Is it A,
What?
B, or C?
B.
B. What's in B? Yeah, Jenny, what's in B? What are they playing?
B is in. They play robot.
Let's try to see. Okay, very good. You got it right, and you will receive another unicorn. Okay, another unicorn for tonight. That's great. You have questions about this one?
No, I don't have.
No questions. Okay. This time, do you have, supposedly I want you to color this one. Okay. So, but anyway, teacher will do that and tell me the color. Okay? Okay, what
What do you say?
What are the things you see on the picture at the side? Okay, what are the things?
I see a tree.
Oh, you see a tree. What else?
See a dog.
Oh, you see a dog. Okay. And aside from dog, what else? What
Box and a ball.
yes.
Ball in. I see a ball in a box.
Okay, you see a ball in a box. Okay. This time, we will try to read a ball in a box. Color the ball in the box. What's the color? What's the color? We'll color it.
Blue.
Oh, blue. Where is the ball? It is inside the box. We will color this one. What to color? Color this one?
It's blue.
Okay, how about the ball under the tree? What is the color of the ball under the tree? What's the color?
Red.
Okay, red. How about the ball behind the bag? Behind.
It's green.
Oh, green. And the ball next to the flowers?
Pink.
The ball next to the flowers is pink. And how about the dog? What is the color of the dog?
I don't know.
I mean the ball, that there should be the purple ball next to the dog. So there should be a dog here. I mean a ball next to a dog. Can you see that one? Can you see it?
Yes, I see.
Yeah, a ball next to the dog. Okay, can you read the number 1 there?
Color the ball in the box. Blue.
Okay, check here. Second, what's in the second, Jenny?
Color the ball under the tree. Red.
Okay, the color of the ball here is red. Number 3. What's in number 3?
Color the ball behind the back. Green.
Okay, it is green. How about number 4? Okay, number 4.
Color the balls next to the flower pink.
Okay, it's pink here. And the 5th one is, what's the 5th?
I don't know.
There should
be purple ball next to the dog.
Okay, this is the dog and here is the purple ball. Okay, can you see that one?
Yes, I see.
Okay, since I call all the balls here, this time teacher will ask you a question. Are you ready, Jenny?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, very good. Can you see the balls here? What is the color of the ball inside the box? What is the color of the ball inside the box?
What do you say?
What is the color of the ball inside the box? Can you see it?
It's blue.
Oh, very good. How about the ball next to the dog?
It's purple.
Purple. How about the ball next to the flowers?
It's pink.
Oh, great. And the ball under the tree?
It's red.
One more. How about the ball behind the bag? Behind.
It's green.
Oh, green. Very good, Jenny. I'll give you another unicorn for tonight. You have
Blue.
unicorn, you have white unicorn, and you have superstar for tonight. Because Jenny is answering very well. Okay. Do you have any questions about this here?
No, I don't have.
Oh, no questions. That's great. I guess that would be all for tonight and we will continue our lesson next time. Bye-bye, Jenny.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye. See you next
Bye, teacher.
time. Okay.